Alright guys, so I just wanted to get on here and make a quick video on these FlashSharkRacing headers. These are for the 92 to I think 2004 Dodge Rams with the, I think the 5.2318 Magnum and the 5.9 360 Magnum, and these are direct fit. So I opened the box just to see what they were, but it's pretty much my first initial reaction. They're actually really nice so far. Comes with both gaskets for the right and the left side heads. This is the other gasket. I already have gaskets, so I guess we'll see which ones look better, which ones feel better. Comes with studs. Doesn't come with the regular bolts that came with it originally. Comes with these little studs with locking nuts. And these are the headers. Wow, these look good. That's what they look like. These will fit right up to the stock exhaust downpipe. Wow, these look really good so far. You can see, I mean, they look like they have pretty good quality. I'm pretty shaky right now, sorry. So this would be the right side motor manifold. This would be for the right side. So this would bolt up just about like this. I'll go ahead and unbox the left side one. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to make a review on these. I'm actually very impressed. I just free shipping. I think these were $165, which I feel like for headers are pretty cheap for direct fit headers. I think they're originally $200. They're originally $200, but they're running a sale. I think it's like 14% off. That's what it said online. So yeah, they're $165. Free shipping. You could pay for, I think it was for an extra $20. You could pay for like express shipping, fast shipping. I paid for the regular shipping, and I think they're supposed to be here in 7 to 15 days. And they got here in less than 7. So, and we just had the 4th of July, so that was even cooler. I mean, I was looking at probably at least 2 weeks, I was thinking, because of the holiday, but they actually got here today, which is the 7th. They weren't supposed to be here till the 9th, but they got here earlier. So this is the left one. I mean, the welds and stuff just look really good. So yeah, there's just a little quick video on these. I think it says they're supposed to add about 5 to 20 horsepower, and I think 0.5 mile per gallon to your motor. It's supposed to make your throttle response better, gas mileage better, obviously adds horsepower. Sounds a lot, these will sound a lot better. So yeah, really impressed with this. They don't look damaged at all. I mean, they look like they are packed really good. Yeah, I don't see any damage on any of these. So yeah,